So guys, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
So today's process would be started right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's process will be topic description along with a brief introduction. Brief introduction के जब भी आपको किसी सेंटर पे कहा जाए, वहाँ पे आप सिर्फ अपना नाम बताते हैं, जिस सिटी से बिलोंग करते हैं, उस सिटी वो कौन से स्टेट में है, इतना बता के नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट माय व्यूज अपॉन द गिवन टॉपिक कहते हुए आप सीधा उसके ऊपर 30 सेकंड तक टॉपिक का डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं. क्लियर? उसके बाद में राउंड सेकंड में हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन आपका स्टार्ट करते हैं. आपके ग्रुप को हमने डिवाइड करके सब ग्रुप में तोड़ दिया है और ये जो आपका डिवाइडेड ग्रुप है ये किस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस करता है आज हम देखते हैं. Should we start right now?
Yes,
Are you ready?
Yes,
Having
sir.
proper position?
Yes, sir.
Putting your palms on your thighs, chest a little bit raised, back is straightened. Okay, good it is. With full confidence, a little bit smile on your face, proper eye contact, still upon me, and while the speaker start to speak, then your eye contact should be with your speaker. Listeners must be watching carefully, right? Should we start right now? List chest number 27 will start first. And
Good afternoon, sir and dear friends. I am Ankit Sharma. Basically, I belong to Jaipur in Rajasthan. I am now going to present my views on the given topic, that is high fuel prices in India. As we all know that petrol and diesel prices is a burning issue in India these days, and we know that by the latest budget announcement, the fuel prices are reaching 100 plus per liter in the metro cities, and this will create problems for the middle class families, that they will reduce their spendings for the expenses and the budgets, as India is the third in the top of the use of crude.
next.
Good afternoon, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rajendra from Zunjunu, Rajasthan. That's all about me. Now I'm going to deliver my views on given topic. Today's given topic is high fuel price in India. There is a huge criticism on the high fuel price, because the retail price of fuel price is almost double to the crude oil price. Crude oil price basically depends on many factors, like crude oil price in central exercise duty, weight.
Next.
Thanks, sir.
Good morning, sir and dear friends. I am Satish Rajpura from Pali in Rajasthan. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topics: high prices of fuel in India. India is the top third country in the world that is use of fuel after USA and China. But it is the problem that India have not much fuel reserve.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Vikas Pura from Bhadki in Churu in Rajasthan. I am going to present my views on the given topic: high fuel price in India. High fuel price in India is a huge criticism. Despite of having low crude oil price in international market, petrol and diesel price depend on many factors like refinery charge, surcharge, central excise duty. Among these factors, the crude oil is main thing, which is a raw material of petrol and diesel.
Next.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anand Sharma and from Zunjunu in Rajasthan. Now I present my views upon the given topic. In my opinion, this is a current relevant topic, and at present this topic, in my opinion, this topic is a controversial topic. So I believe that the fuel price is increasing day by day. At present, this problem has become very critical among the people. So there is a huge corruption among the people, and this problem has become very
Next.
critical.
Good morning, sir and my dear friends. I am Siddhant from Alwar in Rajasthan. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic: high fuel prices in India. There is a huge circumstances over high fuel prices in India, despite over the low crude price internationally. There is a huge burden on foreign exchange reserves. For tackle this situation, government imposes high taxes of usage.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Govind Singh Gurjar from Karoli in Rajasthan. Now I am going to present my views on the given topic: high fuel price in India. Petrol and diesel price depend on many factors. Final price is equal to rise. At present, 41% of final taxes is. This is main cause of high fuel price in India. Petrol and diesels are not included in GST. If they are come upon GST, fuel price would be lesser. And
Next.
Good morning, sir, and dear friends. I am Jitendra from Suru in Rajasthan. My views on the given topic: fuel prices in India. Today, government income, the source of government income is totally dependent on the fuel, and they're all the income from the crude oil, and crude oil have many factors.
Okay, sit down. Okay, guys. So this is new pattern. I think that's why you are confused. और यही कारण है कि छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट आपका मोरल डाउन कर देता है। इतने दिनों तक हमने पूरे इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ में टॉपिक का डिस्क्रिप्शन किया। आज मैंने सडनली आपके लिए ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ में टॉपिक का डिस्क्रिप्शन मांगा, तो काफ़ी बच्चे 50% जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो उसको ठीक से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए। ऐसा ही कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट आपके साथ में उस सेंटर पे हो सकता है, राइट? एयरमैन सिलेक्शन सेंटर पे छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट वो जानबूझ के करते रहते हैं। इन चीज़ों से आपको बिल्कुल भी डाइवर्ट नहीं होना है, इनसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना। आप अपने आप को वैसे ही जस्टिफाई करें, वैसे ही एडजस्ट करें, सिचुएशन में अडॉप्ट कर लें। ये अडेप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट होता है। क्लियर? सिचुएशन में अडॉप्ट करना, एडजस्ट करना इज द सिमिलर वर्ड ऑफ अडेप्टेबिलिटी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे कंडक्ट योर 2 डिफरेंट अडेप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट्स। क्लियर? किसी भी प्रकार का अमेंडमेंट हो तो उसको आप एक्सेप्ट करें और तुरंत उसके अंदर डल जाएं, वैसे ही परफॉर्म करें जैसे आप कर रहे हैं नेचुरली। इसको आप अदरवाइज नहीं लें, इसको बर्डन नहीं लें, ये तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं कर सकते। समझ गए? ओके, सो अब अपना नेक्स्ट इवेंट होगा ग्रुप डिस्कशन। सो ऑल आर रेडी फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशन?
Yes, sir.
शुड वी स्टार्ट राइट नाउ?
Yes, sir.
ओके, एंड नाउ everybody is ready for group discussion?
Yes, sir.
Countdown starts. Try to participate, everybody. Try to participate. If the fish selling starts, all will stop. One will initiate, right? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. Let me initiate the topic. Let me initiate the topic. I am fuel prices are initiate the topic. Real topic is depends on many factors like crude oil price. Currently, Russia increased many depends on many taxes. Reason is behind the fuel prices are depends on the many taxes, and last year the corona pandemic is the was very big.
In 2014, one barrel of crude oil is at $1.05, and now it is
Yes, my dear friend, the fuel prices are increases just because not of the crude oils, but because of many factors. Just like we are passes through the COVID-19 pandemic, and the taxes we have imposed, and the schemes that were government loans, free schemes that government loans, that all the taxes were all the. Yes, I am agree with you, my friend. That fuel price is not under the GST. If it include in GST, the fuel price will reduce.
Among these factors, crude oil is main thing, which is a raw material of.
Yes, I am fully agree with you. Section
Petrol and diesel.
79. The prices of petrol and diesel depend on several factors, as such the
Crude oil is used in India as the third largest in the world after the USA and China.
Indian government opinion is that
India has
high fuel price forced to people to conserve the oil and alternate adopt to
India has
like
not-
renewable
Yes, my friends, government
energy source
India has not
Yes, my friend government tries to increase the fuel prices. That's because of this, because he wants that
Government of India has not can be reduced foreign exchange revenue.
Indian refinery is most of the worst refinery in the world.
But yes, I agree with just number 79. That's why the Indian government is totally depends on fuel prices.
Yes, I agree.
Sorry to interrupt you, my friends. Indian government not totally depends on that fuels. It depends on various factors. It depends on various things that like the alcohols, petrol, diesels. No, petrol is not only the source of income for the Indian government, but it also
It's a
mines.
major factor of Yes, I agree with just number 27. Fuel is pollution.
Not increasing income tax like charges.
Government is of the
Buying their own vehicle, hence
electric vehicle to save this step is positive.
Yes, I agree.
It is the
Fuel is not a renewable source for Indian government is the opinion of that high fuel price will force people to reduce.
I think it's not only the government responsibility to reduce the fuel prices. It's our responsibility to we use the private vehicles. We use the public vehicles instead of the private vehicles because the number of private vehicles increases day by day, and this will increase the fuel consumption.
yes.
Use their own vehicles to go their office and other
Yes, I agree with stage number 92. Government high prices of petrol and diesel forced to people use of alternative such charging electric vehicles and
People buying more and more personal vehicle, and this is the
not
Depend on fuel and
petrol and diesel are not
increasing pollution. So government
I agree with just number 79 because the government of India has no proper storage of crude oil. So because that they
government opinions that many people are use of public transport
At present, approx 48% of final retail price.
Okay guys, the group discussion is going to be dismissed. So all about the healthy discussion on this topic. Today I suddenly gave you this topic, so I think that you didn't prepare it properly, or you didn't have sufficient time to prepare it, right? So in future I will reduce your time while taking preparation or while making preparation for a topic. Today I gave you 2 hours to prepare. I think 2 hours to prepare. Yes, sir. Almost. Tomorrow I will give you 1 hour and 30 minutes to prepare. And at last we will come to the point that we will prepare the topic within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. The same time will be given to you in your airman selection center. Clear? Yes, sir. So all our discussion was healthy. The things are coming in our grip. And suddenly, so not definitely, we will reach up to our goal. Right? Yes, sir. So wish you all the best for next topic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.